Hello everyone, today's video is about how to make your own security device. This is a lot like science. Okay, now since the battery is gonna be replaceable, we have taken a small box and we're gonna place the battery inside and take the connectivity from inside. Now to fix this snap, we need a double-sided tape. I'm gonna stick it inside here. Remove that top layer and fix the snap. Now I'm gonna take the battery and just connect it in. Now I can close it. Yes, it's done. Now a little taping here. Yes, now the battery is ready. Take a plastic clip, 2 screws I have put here and put a cardboard here. Now if I remove this cardboard, you can hear the sound. I've tied the thread to this cardboard. Now the setup is ready. It's time to check it out. Now if somebody enters the house, this will pop up.